Hey guys, Dean at Lock Offroad again, and this is my personal 4th gen Tacoma, brand new, got it less than a year ago, already got almost 20,000 miles on it, and we've done quite a few things on it. Starting off, of course, we have the Lock Offroad Mojaves. They're 17 by 9 minus 12, a little unorthodox on the brand new Tacomas, but we wanted a wider and more aggressive stance, so that is what we went with. It is actually on our brand new machine caps as well, so that silver finish really stands out. Something slightly different than that machine finish that a lot of other people are rocking right now. It's on 37s, which is the most shocking part of it. A lot of people are like, how the heck are you doing that? But these new Tacomas are so capable. You can run 33s with the stock suspension, which is insane. It's on the 2.5 Kings lift kit. It's been absolutely smooth. It's dialed. We've taken it out to King of Hammers. We've done some light rock climbing. And then, of course, all the metal you see on the truck, the sliders, front bumper, roof rack, bed rack, is all from our buddies at Cali Raised, who are also here this weekend. They've had phenomenal amount of stuff here. They're actually adding more stuff, and pretty much it's a one-stop shop for your 4th gen or 6th gen Tacomas and 4Runners, because they make everything for it. Sorry, there's a lot going on with the truck right now. We also have the Inspired Overland tent, which is a must in the overlanding world. I absolutely love it. Love how easy it is to set up. Less than 15 minutes, just pop it up and you're good to go. Coming around the back, we have the Alpharex taillights. Something different, the clear lens, but it works really well with the green wrap. They also have the Alpharex headlights as well. Absolutely easy to install, and it adds the extra next flare to your Tacoma that makes it stand out from the rest. What you might see here on the corner is the Banks badge. We have the Banks Pedal Monster unit along with their iDash Pro. They've also sent us their intercooler piping, and they have a lot more goodies coming to the turbocharged 4th gen and 6th gen 4Runners and Tacomas. There it is, the freshly installed cargo kits, 60% delete. They have the 40% as well. And then the Iceco 55 quart or 55 liter fridge. Slightly overkill, but I can fit everything I need for the week in it, no problem. The BRP seat covers is in a tan. Our kind of style is the tan and green. So works out, looks great. Another way to keep the truck standing out from the rest.